This is outside my house here. We got 2 police cars. They just showed up, but they didn't come in my house. They are somewhere at the neighbor's house. I'm not sure what's happening, but someone called the cops. Hopefully everything is fine. Nobody gets hurt. It's Wednesday. It's winter, as you can see. 2 cop cars. I saw them get out and they walked to my neighbor's house. They went to that house right there. You see the porch? That's where they went in. I don't see anybody outside. I look in the backyard. There's nobody out there. So the cops are in there. Again, I hope nobody gets hurt. Cops go home and people at home stay safe. Sometime here in the US, police interaction with people sometimes ends up badly. Not every time, but sometimes people can call them for help, and when they get there, somebody ends up getting shot. So I hope that's not the case today. Right now, an ambulance just pulled up and 3 paramedics came out of it. So I'll keep an eye and see what happens. Cop cars are out here still, 2 of them. Now the cops are coming out and I see a few people right there. There's a guy in maroon. Seems like he's the one going to the hospital or something to get some medical attention. That's an ambulance. So the end result is good. See a cop over there, 2 of them. Thanks for watching. It took them about 40 minutes from the time they entered the house until they came out. And the guy walked on his own. All right. Those are 2 cops right there. This is my neighborhood. Give us a like. That's a Catholic church. Remember to subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out.